Look at this right here. I just came to an apartment complex and look what I say. A lot of vultures, boy. Look at that. Boy, this is crazy. They're all over the place, all over the trash. Look at that. Look at that. Boy, I'm telling you. There's a somewhere in that way. And it's a whole bunch of them all over the trash, all over the tree. Para those services, para working on today. We think they do water section up there, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this. It's for an apartment complex. So I'm trying to get all those things up. And this is the before. I'm trying a new product that I got. Was recommended. Let's see what it do. And now I'm about to go with my prime time. So I figure I'll test it out. He says it's good on rat nasty. Let's see what y'all got. Gotta be the judge. I know my prime time will check this up with no problem. But the question is, there's this new product. I'm gonna show you what the product is. So let's see if it'll cut. If it'll get my prime time. This is what I'm using right here. Let's see what it do. I know that this works. That's my thing right there. I know that works. I don't know if this is going to work.